Welcome to Vicky's World, and today's chicken recipe is absolutely sensational, full of flavor, and the best part about it is that it's easy and easy peasy and very easy to make. So I've got with me a nice skinless boneless chicken breast, but you can use a leg, you can use the back, you can use whatever you like, okay? Now, a little bit of black pepper. I'm going to be adding a little bit of spice into this dish so that you will not get the impression that this is like mild food or whatever. So the idea is to make this spicy but not very chilly. The spice is the flavor and the aroma which you're going to get from it, and definitely you're going to get a bit of heat as well. So I've got black pepper, I've got some cinnamon powder, I've got some cumin, jeera, and I've got a little bit of red chili. Okay, so these four spices are definitely found in everyone's houses, especially in India. And I think nowadays people like to go spice shopping, people like to mix and match. So sometimes you have to forget recipe books and just go with the flow. What you feel, what is fresh in the market, that's what you got to hit. So my chicken breast is nicely marinated. Okay, so next I've got a nice hot pan here, and what I have cooking here with me is carrots which are being cooked with a little bit of salt. Okay, I'm just going to add a little bit of salt into the water. So I'm going to be making a very simple but delicious carrot puree. A little bit of oil in the pan. Now with this dish I have sliced some very nice new potatoes. Okay, we call them new potatoes, we call them baby potatoes. So what I do is in olive oil I throw a little bit of cumin seeds, which is jeera. Okay, now once this jeera, the cumin seeds start kind of spluttering. They kind of splutter. Okay, once they splutter, I add a little bit of rosemary into this. So I've got some cumin, I've got some rosemary, red chili powder in this as well. Okay, which I'm going to put. Shake this a little bit. And next I'm going to be throwing my sliced potatoes into this pan. So potatoes in here, give it a little mix, a little bit of salt into the potatoes, cover, 2 minutes, your potatoes are going to be ready. Now what do I have cooking here? I've got carrots and I've got a little bit of water and I've got some salt. So carrot puree is going to go into my blender now, along with, so carrots in there, then I've got some butter inside, into there. I've got some nicely chopped spring onion greens which are going in here, dhania, fresh coriander. Okay, milk or cream once again is optional in this. All now we do is give it a good blend. So while the carrot puree is almost being done, let's have a look at my potatoes. Beautiful. So the potatoes have a nice color. They've got a nice golden brown. They've got a great flavor of the jeera, which is the cumin and the rosemary. So these will take a couple of minutes to cook. In the meanwhile, why don't we do one thing? In the same pan, what I'm going to be doing is adding my chicken breast. Now it's time to plate the carrot puree. So this lovely orange carrot puree. And I'll tell you, kids completely love carrot puree. If you try to give a child or anybody young a piece of carrot, they're going to run away. But the moment you cook the carrots with a little bit of water, maybe you add a touch of cream, a little bit of butter, that carrot puree goes down like heaven. So beautiful new potatoes onto the side here. I think we're almost done. Time to plate it up. Chicken, carrot puree, new potatoes. A few more potatoes up here. Next, a little rosemary as a garnish. A few rosemary needles around the plate. And here you go, a nice, perfect bistro style chicken ready for you only on Vicky's World. Bon appetit.